So let me give you a Nordvpn coupon code deal that you can apply right away to save yourself some money. So by using the link in the description down below, you can go to my special page, as you can see right here. And then if you click on Get NordVPN, you can get a 4 extra months for free, plus an amazing discount on itself. So this is showed in euros because I'm in Europe, but the same prices will apply in dollars in case you're in the US. So as you can see, you can save up to 74% depending on the plan you choose, which if we compare that to the usual rates, you can see you can save a lot of money. So the normal basic plan is about $13 a month. The plus plan is $14 a month, and then the ultimate plan is about $14.50 a month. Now, depending on if you choose a 1 year or 2 year plan, you can get more or less discounts. So on a 1 year plan, we can get that down from, as you can see, $13 a month to just about $5 a month. So that's a huge discount. The plus plan goes to $6 a month, and then the ultimate plan is only $8.50 a month. Now, on the 2 year plan, that can get even better, getting it down all the way to less than $3 a month, plus 4 extra months, as you can see right here, which goes from $324, $324 to only 83 or euros, depending on your currency, which is actually insane. And so that also goes for the plus plan, where you can save about $300. And then on the ultimate plan, you can save yourself a ton of money. You can see you can save yourself more than $500, which is actually insane. Plus, it comes with these 4 extra months. And so my link in the description down below will give you access to these custom deals. It's the best deal available on the internet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So just wanted to help you out there. You can save some money. And yeah, let me know if this was helpful.